So, Anna, economy. Why is
Sure.
economy important? Why should admin even be considering that when it comes to PBIS rewards?
We just want to kind of keep in mind with our staff members being consistent about the points that we give out. We don't have to be exactly the same, but we do want to have some goal in mind as to how many points a staff member is rewarding each day. If India gave out 500 points and I only gave out 50, that would be difficult for our students when they're shopping in our school store, because the amount of points that they're going to have available to them are going to be very different. So it's going to kind of cause tension there. So what we do to help our staff members with that is we talk about our daily point goals. And so we're going to go to the next slide and look at those daily point goals. And so you can kind of see what you want to stay in as that green zone. And this is, again, categorized by those different types of staff, your classroom staff, support staff, and you can also have a goal for your students. And so if we go, India, let's click one more time because we'll make it a little bit bigger. Yep, with our classroom staff. There we go.
I like that.
So you can see here that the goal here is 100 points a day. Now, that may seem really like a lot of points, and you can always change it. But kind of thinking about the points that your staff gives out, if I stood at my door and let's say I'm a middle school teacher and I just gave out points to my students that were on time to class, for me to give out 100 points a day would be really fast, because, I'm going to have at least that many students get to my class on time every day. However, starting at the beginning of the school year, you might want to change that to a lower number to make it really achievable for your staff, so they feel that sense of achievement every day that they've met those goals. Especially thinking about, if you're a self-contained teacher in elementary, that's going to be a different situation. So maybe your goal for those teachers might be 25 a day to get started. So thinking about, the number of students that they have per day and, how often those students are going to change, that's going to help you set those goals. And so we really want our staff members to work and achieve those goals. If you want a suggestion, there is a calculator that's there. Now, it does kind of err on the side that's high. And as an admin or a leader, then that's something to keep in mind. Maybe that's what you work up towards. But thinking about what's a goal that is realistic for your staff members here at the beginning of the year, and also for your students, what should they be working towards and earning every day? So that definitely gives you a place to think about that is there in the daily point goals.
Absolutely.